Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings. Once you are on your settings, scroll down and tap on Content Settings. Now tap on Block Pop-ups. You will see a switch at the top. Turn the switch off to allow pop-ups. When the switch is off, pop-ups are allowed in Chrome. If you ever want to block pop-ups again, you can come back here and turn the switch back on. One important thing to remember, allow only pop-ups when you trust the website. Some pop-ups can be annoying or unsafe, and that's it. We have successfully allowed pop-ups in Google Chrome on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.